Good morning. Hi. It's raining out there today. You're really lucky you're in here. Hi. Aw. Well, it's really been raining overnight this morning. You know, it started late yesterday. Poor Ruby's gonna get dirty, but I'm gonna be in my car a lot today, and at least Dawn doesn't have to do a quick turnaround for tomorrow anymore. And it being raining. But all the kitties are good, and it's not raining right this minute, but I don't know that it's done, so I put the food in the cat hotel. Tux is up there nice and dry. He's eating his chicken. Hey, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. You're lucky up here where it's dry. You got it good. Oh, we got a package. Wow. Sorry, Ruby. I hate to get you wet. It's mostly stopped raining right now. Just being careful walking slow on the boardwalk so I don't land on my backside and get everything wet this morning. Good morning, Ruby. Traffic seems to be moving right along. I am on FSD and Ruby hasn't told me I'm degraded yet. I'm sure probably she will. But traffic seems to be moving right along and we're currently on time, so that's good. Oops, I forgot to tell her not to move me around. Johnny's hitting it for me. Can you kill navigation to the school also, please? That'll keep us over here tucked in. If I want to go around something, I'll tell her. Thanks. Well, the city is really socked in this morning, and certainly you cannot see all of the tall buildings from this site. So, yeah. Still on time and still traffic moving along okay this morning. I was on FSD most of the way until we hit the split back there in Garner, and that's where I usually get out. Alrighty, so today I am helping Sam get to and from school again, same time as on Tuesday, and I need to pick Sam up at not later than 9 a.m. Class is at Wake Tech at 9:30. It's not much of a drive. So I've got an hour and 25 minutes till I have to be at Sam's house. I was thinking about going back to Target. We'll see. I didn't feel like getting out this morning in the rain. I've been sitting here for a few minutes. I took down the Pokemon Go gym on the cookout corner and put all my Pokemon in to earn some coins. I'm going to head over to the Target and Garner a different Target. I get there at 8:13. I'll have 30 minutes to walk around and then 15 minutes, which it's not that far, to drive over to Sam's house. And that'll give me an opportunity to use the restroom and look for more Hot Wheels and Matchbox Tesla cars. I looked for the Target or Walmart closest to Sam's house that I already haven't visited this week. And that's how I picked this one, which is kind of what I knew, but all the other Walmarts that are nearby or Targets that are nearby are in the wrong direction. So they might technically be closer, but like the one at North Hills by the Tesla Supercharger. Also, probably not a good place to go looking for EV Hot Wheels or Matchbox because of all the Tesla owners in and out of that particular Target. It's been a while since I've been to this Target over here at White Oak. Michelle comes to this one a lot. I need 10 minutes to get to Sam's house, so I have a good 30 minutes. It's kind of funny. They have two different versions of Ford Bronco t-shirts for women in the t-shirt area. It's just unexpected. I don't know that Target has more Lego, but it's spread across two aisles, and they have some of the more selection of adult sets, I would say. I found a couple more Lucid Air. I didn't really find, oh wow, here's the roaster. I almost went right past that. I did pick up Sam on time and got him dropped off, and thankfully it's not raining right now. I'm gonna head over to the Goodwill, Holly Springs Road. It's about 5 miles away. I didn't need to work on the video. I finished it last night, and I technically have just enough time to drive home and drive back up there, but that, you know, Sam and I are gonna go over there after I pick him back up, and I'm just looking for a little something to do. So this seemed like a good thing. Oh joy, the mud, that's just great. People don't leave mud on the road. That's not nice. I won't be in here an hour, but I have an hour. It's nowhere near as fun as Guardian Angel. And I actually like the other location closer to the house better than this one, but like I said, just looking for something to do for a few minutes. You're spoiling him twice in 1 week.
It's Tux Tuesday and Tux Thursday.
Right, and the Tux spoil, yeah.
Yes.
We had us a little something to eat. I made the bacon, egg, and cheese chaffles. And we had lunch, and I might have fallen asleep for 5 minutes sitting there while Dawn and Sam were talking. And we gotta go get Johnny, take Sam home. Well, we picked up Johnny downtown, dropped Sam off, and Johnny and I are almost back home. It's kind of been like this all day. A little bit of rain here, a little bit of more rain there. It's currently a little bit more rain. Your speed limit sign came.
Yeah, I put it there in case someone, when you pulled into the garage or whatever.
I'm trying to get it in focus so they could see it. Let's run the wipers, because there now the
Ruby to show the speed limit.
Right. Well, now Ruby can see. Am I still in drive? I am. Distractions pulling into the garage. She says the speed limit is 25 miles an hour.
Aww. Well, we could try it outside.
She did not change the speed limit.
Yeah, okay. Well, that's okay.
That doesn't mean it won't work outside.
It won't work. That just means, dang.
It didn't work that easy. All right, Dawn has put the 5 mile an hour sign on the big oak tree over here. I pulled Ruby back out because inquiring minds do want to know. I thought he was going to take the unicycle and put it like farther down the driveway, but I guess the whole idea was to set the car to think 5 mile an hour was good. Will she or won't she? How could she not see that? Huh? Not doing it. Not doing it. It's got 2 of them, and they are aluminum. I saw it in his hand. It's a real metal sign. It's made to be weatherproof. He told me to go out to the cul-de-sac, spin around, and be ready to come back in, and he's going to put one down on this end. I don't know if it's not legal size, or 5 mile an hour is too slow, or it really wants it on a pole instead of on a tree. Okay, I'm videoing on the iPhone because it's easier to switch focus back and forth. Dawn's out of the way. Ruby says 25. You guys can see where Dawn put the 5 mile an hour sign on the tree. It didn't work.